Hey guys, Imagine by John Lennon. Imagine there's no heaven. It's easy if you try. No hell below us. Above us only sky. Imagine all the people living for today. Okay, that's our intro and our first verse. The intro chords are C, C major 7, and then F. Okay, the picking pattern for C major 7, third fret on fifth string, second fret on the fourth string. So, pick the third and the fourth string, and then fifth string 3 times, and then on the fourth time pick second string and third string, and then the fifth string. Okay, third and fourth string, and then fifth 3 times, and then on the fourth time second and third string, and then okay, so and then F. You don't have to just put your middle finger on the second fret of third string, your ring finger on the fifth fret of third fret of fifth string, your pinky on the third fret of fourth string. You don't have to do it like that. Just put your, because you're not going to use the lower 2 strings. Okay, so for picking for F is fourth and third string, and then fifth string 3 times also, and then you pick third string on the second fret, and then third fret, and then open on second string, and then you go back to C major 7. Okay, one more time for F. Third string and fourth string, and then fifth, and then second on the third string, third on the third string, and then open on the second. Okay, that's our intro. Same picking for our verse 1. And all the verses, 1, 2, there are 3 verses. So for C, we have already done the F. Now we go to on the third part. Imagine there's no heaven. It is easy if you try. No hell below us. Above us only sky. This time only sky. Pick 4 times. Before we have 3 times only, and then we do it. This time you pick fourth and third string, and then fifth 4 times, and then you go to F, bar F, and then you pick from the second string, third string with the bass, and then fourth string, imagine. So second and third string with the sixth string, and then fourth string, and then back to second and third string, and then fourth string. So that's for your F. Imagine, and then A minor E. Pick also second string and third string, and your bass is E. So A minor A, your bass will be the sixth string. Same picking. Third, second, and sixth string, and then fourth, and then D minor 7. Pick first and second string, second and third string, and then fourth. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then we go to F6. This is your F6 from F chord, and then your bass will be the fifth string, and then fifth string and first and second string, and then third string. So bass, first and second string, and then third string, first and second string, third string. Okay, and then you go to to G on the third fret. Pick second and third string together with the bass, the sixth string, and then the fourth string, and then second and third string, and then back to fourth. That's 2 times. And then G7 sustain. Hold. Just 1. Okay. So our chords for the verse 1 is C major 7, F, and then 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times, and then F, A minor slash E, D minor 7, and then F6, G, and D sustain. That's our chord. Now our second verse is exactly the same. Okay, exactly the same. Now we better go to our chorus. Chorus chords are F, G, and then C major 7. Take off your index finger, and then E, and then E7. Take off your what do you call that? Ring finger. Yeah, that's E7. Okay. So for the chorus, you may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you'll join us, and the world will be as one. And the birthday. Okay. So the picking for the F is second string for the chorus, second string and bass, and then fourth string, second and third without the bass, and then fourth string again. For G, same, second and third string and fourth string, second and third string without the bass, and then fourth string. And now for C, pick the bass, fifth string, first and second string, third string, back to first and second string without the bass, and then fourth string. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, for F, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 for G, and then for C, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then second and third string, and plus the fifth string, 1 open, take off to make a C major 7. Okay? So 1, 2, and then E, pick second, third, fourth string, and then sixth string. Take off your pinky, your ring finger. So and then back to F. And the world will be us, and the world will be us. Third fret on the sixth string, and then third fret on the fifth. That's our ad-lib, add-on. So 1, 2, open on fifth string, third fret on fifth string, and then second fret on fifth string, third fret. So you can bring and the world will be us. So you pick the C, and then the fourth and the third string. So 1, 2, 3, 4, open, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that's one measure. Okay, now the third verse is the same, nothing different, and also the last, and then after third verse, repeat the chorus. Okay, and it's the same also. Okay, so I'll play the last chorus. You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you'll join us, and the world will be as one, and the world will be as one. Okay, I guess that's it. Only the picking pattern for C major 7 and then the F. Okay, so well, let me show you your tab. Okay. 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 So now, our next lesson will be, okay, you guess. You guess. I'll do the intro. will be our next lesson. Okay. Anything? Don't forget to click the closed caption for subtitles. Please like and share, comments, and don't forget to click the notification bell. And those who haven't subscribed yet, just one click. Okay, see you next time.